In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Tinder promo codes or discount codes or coupon codes in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and here in the search box type in Tinder promo code and then hit search. It shows you up a lot of different websites where you can find promo codes. You can open up any of them where you can check those promo codes. Just tap here at Get Codes and here, for example, I can get 20% off with that promo code. I can tap there where it says copy code to copy it to my clipboard. And then I can move to Tinder website or Tinder application where I can use that coupon code. Just don't forget to enter it in promo code before you pay any money and double check that this promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back on that site and from here try to use another promo code, just copy it and try to redeem on Tinder website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.